Welcome to another episode of Data Star. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do it now so that you never miss an update on a new episode. Let's jump into today's episode of Data Star.
Welcome everyone to another episode of Data Start. We have another exciting company, another exciting role, and what we are going to do is we are going to do a surgery of this role for doing today's analysis. So let's get started. We have Global Data Science Manager role at a company which is one of the most sought after company to work for across the globe, especially among top MBAs from top schools, which is Boston Consulting Group. So BCG is one of the top 3 consulting companies globally in terms of brand and is recruiting for a global data science manager based out of its Gurgaon office. So these are the 3 things that you need to know: the role, the company, and the location. Now let's look at what does this mean, the global data science manager. And as you would be seeing after, if you have watched the other analysis that we have done so far, that different companies keep on coming up with different kind of designations and titles, sometimes to represent the role in the right way, and sometimes they just take data science as a role, and then it can mean many different things. So here global data science manager is what BCG is calling it. So let's look at what is the description given about the global data science manager. So what is written here is that the Global Data Science Manager forms a core part of the newly formed Global People Analytics team, right, which serves the need of BCG's people functions on topics including but not limited to recruitment, career development, employee engagement, case team excellence, diversity and inclusion, and mobility and staffing. Right, so this is part of the Global People Analytics team. So the second thing here is the role will form part of a team that will be looking at ways to improve the current data and analytics service and solution while building and maintaining scalable solutions. It's a little generic. So first of all, what does not come across clearly here, to be honest, is that whether you'll be working for BCG as a client, and we have covered that in another role, if you remember the Genpact role that we had done, Genpact Digital, whether this is for BCG internally or whether this is for BCG's client, which is externally, right? So this is not very clear. Maybe as we go through the job description more, it might become more clear, but right now it is not very evident as such. After that, what is being given here is that apart from this, so you will be basically solving some of these problems related to people issues. So one thing is very clear is that it is something to do with people analytics, people issue, mobility, employee engagement, excellence, client feedback, something related to that. Second thing, what is given here is you will provide machine learning thought leadership, technical analytics expertise, and related capabilities to create and evolve an intelligent data solution for the people team. So again and again, they're focusing on people team. So that means if you have some background in HR analytics, that would be a strong plus point. And if any of you watching this video are from HR background, this is a great plus point for you. Exceptional candidates will also show strong curiosity going beyond the immediate requirements to understand the fundamental drivers of advantage and deliver accurate, well-developed testing model. Nothing very unique there in terms of job description. So what you will do internal, right? So this is, I don't know whether they meant that this is a internal role or whether this is for internal team, a little unclear with that. The Global Data Science Manager forms core part of the newly formed Global People Analytics team. So if you look at this, this is almost a repetition of what we have just read some above, right? And what they have done is they have copy pasted the entire thing, and what they have not checked is if this is a copy paste. So somebody has not taken that pain, they have almost copy pasted word to word the entire thing all over again, right? So this is something that you don't expect from such a top consulting company, but happens because a lot of times these jobs are being posted by HRs and they might miss on some of these basics, so which ideally one should not. So what you are good at after this repetition, let's look at what you're good at. You will possess substantial technical expertise, a strong collaborative approach, excellent communication skills, as well as high attention to detail and word quality, right? So one of the things what I have seen here is that that the data science roles, there are two kind of data science roles. One are very technical, hardcore technical kind of roles. So if you remember, we had done an analysis of Ola's data science role. It was hardcore technical and everything was technical, tech oriented there. But these roles are more towards people, analytics. They talk about cross people collaboration and all. So they expect you to be technical, but at the same time, it is about managing clients, managing internet stakeholders, thought leadership. So this is for those of you who don't have such strong tech backgrounds, right? So, and this is a fantastic role for you if you want to be in a role which is not hardcore data science role, but has a mix of people, analytics, technical, business, and amalgamation of many things. Yeah. After that, what is also given is proven deep expertise you should have in the fields of ML, statistical modeling, and complex data analysis, and deep learning is key. Now, the kind of experience you need to have is they have given pretty generic things. Graduate degree in computer science, engineering, maths is good. Relevant work experience in analytics, methodologies and techniques using classification, regression, recommendation system, etc. These are, if you're doing the GCD program and you're doing machine learning right now, right? This is all covered there, so you are sorted. Problem solving, communication, interpersonal and teaming skills, ability to anticipate, identify and solve critical problems, right? So in companies like BCG, what is really, really important is problem solving. So be prepared for guess estimate type of questions, mind bender type of questions. And if you are prepared for this, I think you should take double the time to prepare for this section, because these type of questions are very, very often asked in consulting kind of interviews. So you don't want to get stumped there. Ability to act as thought partner, expert with stakeholders. Rest of the things, again, if you look at this, strong PowerPoint and presentation development skills preferred, experienced in data modeling, machine learning, statistical tool, data modeling, etc. So what they have basically given is a list of skills that they want. A lot of them are people skills, some of them are technical skills. PowerPoint skills is also mentioned, which is very important and if you're going for a consulting kind of role. They mentioned experience with Python, very good. If you're doing GCD, it's an excellent point. Experience with Alteryx also required. Alteryx, for those of you who do not know what Alteryx is, it's self-service data analytics platform. Basically, what Alteryx promises you is that it will help you do a lot of work that you as a data scientist do in a very easy way, end to end, right from data preparation to data discovery to visualization to advanced analytics. Alteryx is a great platform for that, and they want experience in this. The good thing about Alteryx is it does not take a lot of time to learn. It's very, very easy. Spend a couple of weeks, you are sorted. You would be pretty hands-on with Alteryx. So it's a very easy platform to work with. Next requirement is machine learning algorithms. You need to have experience with NLP and deep learning. Programming experience is a plus. SQL, C hash, VBA preferred is great. Expertise working on applied artificial intelligence, text mining, neural networks on projects and products with real-time decision system data or text analytics, cognitive search enhancement in a global organization or professional services company required. So what they're basically wanting you to do is they want you to be from a good brand company, or even if you're not from a good brand company, you should have worked with global clients. In the end, proven experience in collaboration with engineering teams to develop prototypes and products that can be deployed across various environments, that is cloud, mobile devices, etc. So what basically, as a global data science manager, since you will require engineering teams help in implementing the solution, so what they're saying is that if you have experience working with engineering team, it's a great fit for you. Right. So in terms of skills, the skills is given. The seniority level here is this. It's a senior level position, and that's why you would see the focus on stakeholder management, client interaction, PPTs, etc. here. So here's who should apply for this role. So someone should apply for this role if you have 10 years of experience overall, right? A, if you have really solid portfolio and projects. B, if you work in a big, good brand company. C, and D is if you are from a consulting background, it's a great plus point, right? So if you're working in companies like McKinsey, BCG, ZS, PwC, KPMG, etc., or in the consulting arms of one of the big IT companies, then it's a great plus point to apply for this role. So I hope this analysis would have helped you. This analysis was for one of the top consulting companies in the world, Boston Consulting Group, which is popularly known as BCG, of Global Data Science Manager. I hope this was helpful. If you want an analysis on a company that you would want to apply to, which is possibly your dream company, let me know by dropping an email to manav@insight.co, and I'll possibly try to cover that. So till the time I see you in the next analysis of another company, another role, till then, take care, keep researching, keep learning, and keep putting that effort. Thank you very much.